Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the Single Crochet Post Wave stitch pattern. This pattern will have you crocheting in post stitches, which I will be showing you how to do that today. So to get started, you want to chain multiples of 2. And also for this video, you are going to need to know how to do a single crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do single crochets. Once you have all of your chains, you want to start off by chaining 1 and single crocheting all the way to the end of the row. Alright, so here's where the pattern gets a little bit tricky. So to start off, you want to chain 1 and you're going to do a front post single crochet, which means you're going to insert your hook like you normally would, but then you're going to end up exiting your hook through the back loop of the next stitch. Like so, and you'll see how you'll end up having the post, which is the in-between. So then you just single crochet like normal through that post. So the next stitch is going to be a back post single crochet. So to start off, we're going to pop our needle through the second stitch, just like we would from the back, and then we're going to pop it through the next stitch through the front. So again, let's do a front post single crochet. We're going to go into through the front, through the back, single crochet, and then we'll go through the back, through the front, single crochet, and you'll just repeat going through the front post single crochets and then back post single crochets to the end of the row. Now I found that counting this really does help to make sure that you didn't end up missing a post. So when we come to the end, we won't be doing a post stitch, we'll actually just be doing a single crochet in the very last stitch. So then we will turn our work. Let's go ahead and do it again. We are going to chain 1. And for row 3, we're going to start by working in the back post first. So back post, single crochet, and then front post, single crochet. Back post. Now also the key to remember is the stitch that you pop out from, so for your front or from your back, is where you start your next stitch from. So where you end is where you start. So the repeat for this pattern is to repeat rows 2 through 3. And don't forget to single crochet in the very last stitch. Now the key too is you'll end up seeing as you go the pattern forming, which will end up helping you have a good reference of what stitch you should be doing if you forget, which I did a lot. But if you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.